Hello my friends, my name is Mahmoud and welcome to new video on Motivational View channel. Are you a glass half empty or half full sort of person? Positive thinking is a mental and emotional attitude that focuses on bright side of life and expects positive results. A positive person anticipates happiness, health and success and believes he or she can overcome any obstacle or difficulty. A study followed 70,000 women from 2004 to 2012 and found that those who were optimistic had significantly lower risk of dying from several major causes of death, including heart disease, stroke, cancer, infection, and other diseases. How can you focus on the positive side of your life? Start by reflecting the positive moments that have happened in your life and be thankful for them. Review your biggest accomplishments. Sometimes you don't give yourself enough credit for the many positive milestones in your life. You may look around and compare yourself to others on their journey while ignoring the many achievements you have made possible. Reflect on the greatest milestone or accomplishments in your life. Write those down and review the list regularly, especially when you start to doubt your capacities. Make an effort to look for the good in each day. This could include finding joy in small moments or seeing a beauty in the world around you. Thankfulness goes a long way. You are alive, you are healthy, you have your family, friends, love and friendship in your life. Every day might not always be filled with joy, but you still have cherishing moments that show life's blessing. Challenge yourself to find something positive in every situation, no matter how difficult. It's normal to be upset and hurt when bad things happen. It is human nature and a part of the healing process. What we do after is what separates us. Instead of allowing ourselves to be drawn into depression and anger, we need to look at each situation and find the positive side, something we can learn from. Spend time with positive people who help you to lift your spirit and bring out the best in you. Studies show that when we surround ourselves with positive people, we are more likely to achieve the goals that we want. When we are surrounded by people who make us feel better about ourselves, the higher the chances that we will achieve what we set our mind to. Make an effort to do things that bring you joy and make you feel fulfilled. Do you spend enough time doing things that make you feel good and laugh and feel inspired and happy inside? Life is a lot of little daily things. The more we can fill our lives with joyous moments, the happier our lives will be. Take time to practice self-care and do things that makes you feel good. It's so important to make sure that you take good care of your body, mind, soul every day, not just when you get sick. Learning how to eat right, reduce stress, exercise regularly, and take time out when you need it are touchstones of self-care and can help you to stay healthy, happy, and resilient. Set goals for yourself and take steps towards achieving them. Success actually is a positive side in everybody's life. There is a direct correlation between setting goals and achieving success. Properly defined goals help trigger new behaviors and help you focus on what's important to you. Celebrate your success, no matter how small. Reward yourself for a job well done and for reaching your goals, even for the small steps. This will give you an extra boost of motivation. Take lessons from all experiences to benefit from them in the future. All experiences, good and bad, mold you into a slightly different version of yourself. Every human's experience is different from the other. Someone's bad experience might turn out to be a great one for another. Your learned lessons can give the feeling of control and keep you on your life's positive side. And by the end of this video, I would like to share with you other proven benefits of thinking positively, like better quality of life, higher energy level, better psychological and physical health, faster recovery from injury and illness, lower rates of depression, better stress management and coping skills. Remember, positive thinking isn't a magic, and it won't make all your problems disappear. What it will do is to make problems seem more manageable and help you approach hardship in more positive and productive way. Thanks for listening. Stay positive. See you next time. Bye bye.